I got 6 tips for you to make your video audio spectacular. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? You're watching Fancy Pants Media, the visual marketing YouTube show that goes hard in that marketing paint so you don't have to. Today we are giving you 6 tips on how to improve your audio for your video.
As I speak, the sound waves produced by my voice are transmitted through the air to the microphone, where these sound waves are converted to changes in an electric current.
First is the cell phone hack. This is a free, cheap, and easy way for you to get crystal clear audio from your talent or yourself. The easiest thing to do is just turn your cell phone upside down to where the mic is pointing towards your face. Put it in your pocket, hit record, and you're ready to go. If you want to get just a little bit better quality, there's this free app called Rode Rec. Fantastic app for capturing audio. Number 2 is using a video mic. Now, a lot of you are using the video mics from Rode. I'm using one right now, the Video Mic Me, and there's a few variations, the Video Mic Pro. Those things are fantastic, but if they're sitting on top of your camera and your camera's, a good 3 or 4 feet away from your talent, you're not going to hear. The best thing for you to do is to pick up an adapter, and it's a cold shoe to quarter 20 adapter. These things are fantastic because you can literally turn that mic into a boom mic. Just get it closer to your talent's mouth so that way you can hear that audio goodness. Get it close, no closer, no closer. Yeah, that's pretty close. That's good. That's good right there. Number 3, it's what I'm using right now. It's a Rode Smartlav. These things are fantastic because they plug straight into your cell phone. This is great because you're always going to have your cell phone with you. It's like having an extra recording device. These are broadcast quality audio mics. They're really, really great. Only thing is make sure that you have your adapter if you're shooting with the new iPhones because that lightning port, yeah, sad. I wish we all had headphone jacks still. But hey, USB mics are great for voiceovers. They're great for live streams and also any webinars and podcasts. I currently use the Blue Yeti. I really enjoy it because it has multiple pickup patterns in this one microphone. It's USB bus powered, so it's just one cable that connects straight to your computer. And it's really intuitive to use. It's just like 2 knobs and you're ready to go. So number 5 is the shotgun mic. Shotgun mics are great because you can boom them. You can have somebody just holding the boom and pointing it towards your talent's mouth, or you can actually use a mic stand, and that's what I currently use. I'm using the Rode NTG1. Like I said, I'm a Rode fan, but you have to be careful. You have to know the pickup pattern of your mic. The reason you need to know the pickup pattern is because with the Rode has to be shot over your audio source, not directly at it. If you shoot directly at it using the NTG1, it sounds hollow. So what you have to do is you have to shoot over the source. If you don't know what that means, instead of pointing the mic right at the person, you point it above them and below where the audio can pass over the microphone itself. For some reason, it sounds amazing that way, and it's just because of the pickup pattern. Number 6 is using an external recorder. External recorders are great. I am using the Zoom H5n. I had the H4n before that. And this is a great way to get that phantom power to those microphones that you would need. The cool thing about the H5n and the H4n is that they do have audio mics at the top, so you can just use those. It's great. It's fantastic. I will say this. One drawback is you're going to have to sync your audio in post if you're using an external recorder. Panasonic and Sony have solved this problem by having top mount units that you can just plug your XLRs right in. Those things are fantastic, but it's not that big of a deal. All software has syncing capabilities. It's just one extra step. But those are my 6 tips for you to get better audio inside of your video.
These variations in the electric current are then amplified and used to control the light falling on the photographic film.
Do you have any plans on upgrading your audio kit this year? What is one thing you'll be adding to your audio kit? Drop that comment below. Second, is there a tip that I missed, that's something that you do that you think the community would love to hear? Drop that in the comments below. And if you have a question, that goes there too. You can also tweet me at Nick_Ovalle. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Smash that bell button because you will get notifications every time a new video is posted. And until we chat again, I hope you tell the world a great story. Peace.